Class V here again, back with another G-Army video focusing on the master driver side. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to operate ZOPID and print a single operator permit. So let me share my screen. So from here you're going to go into ZOPID. All right, it's important you know the personnel number, or if you hit the little block here, you can do a search. You can do a last name, first name search, and you can find the individual. I'm also going to show you guys how to actually put your whole UIC in one pool where you can pull it. So once you put the personnel number in, you're going to hit execute. All right. So highlight the row. So if you notice, you got a standard, learner, incidental, or limited. Okay. So obviously this wouldn't be an original. This is going to be a reissue. Okay, so from here, you're going to execute. Now, there's a couple critical pieces to this. So the first piece, you see where it says my name. You hit the little down arrow here, and it's going to pull up all of my qualifications. Okay, so we all know how many times we've been on a roadside inspection and yada, yada, yada. We have so much stuff on our equipment that it doesn't show that vehicle on the actual license, even though the dispatch printed out and said you were fully qualified. Right, so easy way to do this, you can either uncheck what you don't want to print on the license, or I'm going to show you how to print the continuation sheet. All right, so I'm just going to roll with all on my license. Okay, so you're going to hit save. It's going to bring you bad, you got to go up here and check the block of the person. So you're gonna hit save. It's gonna tell you, give you this little thing here: issued, expired. All right. So one thing to keep in mind, especially with TMP, here, at least here on Fort Carson. So if your civilian driver's license expires before or after your military driver's license, they're not going to give you a dispatch for TMP. They want the dates to match. So just keep that in mind. And I'm going to show you a video on how to actually correct that. So here's my operator permit. This here is all of the equipment that's on my license, right? So you hit print, right? Boom. Now, in order for you to print an operator's permit, you have to print twice. Okay. So you go to that, and then once you hit back, select profile has been updated, and then from here, you can actually print the 5984 Echo. Here's the military driver's license. So, hope that video was helpful. Like I said, I'm going to show you in the next couple of days how to do a mass printing of license through UIC. I'm also going to show you guys how to navigate the new master driver workbench that was launched about 4 or 5 months ago. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.